everyone, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. My name is Dai, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most juiciest and crunchiest Japanese fried chicken in just under 15 minutes. Now let's crack on. Let's start by preparing the chicken. I use roughly 2 chicken thighs per person. Today's recipe and ingredients is for 4 portions of fried chicken. For your convenience, I would recommend buying boneless chicken thighs. If you do find yourself with bone-in chicken thighs like me, simply click the link in the corner of your screen for a step-to-step tutorial on how to debone the thigh. Depending on the size of your chicken, I usually find myself cutting each one into 4 equal pieces. Arrange your chicken in a bowl ready for seasoning. Season liberally with salt, around 1 teaspoon. Then season with white or black pepper. Pour 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce over the chicken. Pour 3 tablespoons of sake over the chicken. Next, grate 2 garlic cloves into the bowl, followed by roughly 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil into the bowl. Add 1/4 cup of plain flour into the bowl, followed by 1 egg. Finally mix until all of the ingredients have combined well with the chicken. Add some neutral cooking oil into a pan on a high heat in preparation for frying. In the meantime, into a bowl with 1.5 cups of corn flour or potato starch, add water gradually whilst mixing with a spoon until the flour becomes crumbly in texture. Careful not to add too much water at once. Start by adding your chicken a few pieces at a time and cover well with the corn flour. The crumbly coating is what will give you your fried chicken that special crunch. Once covered, place onto a tray. Make sure your oil has reached around 175 degrees to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once at that temperature, reduce the heat to medium. You can check the temperature of the oil by placing some of your cornstarch in. The starch should rise to the top immediately and should bubble vigorously. Carefully place your chicken in a few pieces at a time. Do not overload the pan, you'll end up with a really oily and soggy fried chicken. Cook for roughly 2 minutes, then turn over. Then cook for a further 2 minutes. Carefully remove the fried chicken and place onto some kitchen paper to remove any excess oil. If cooked correctly, the chicken should be nice and crunchy on the outside. If not, try raising your oil temperature. It may be too low. Hope you enjoyed watching that recipe. Come in for a closer look. Beautiful nuggets of Japanese fried chicken. Really crunchy on the outside and juicy on the inside. You can hear the crunchiness from my chopsticks. It's got some lemon which I'm going to squeeze over, and I've served it with some Kewpie mayonnaise. If you can't get hold of Kewpie mayonnaise, you can use normal mayonnaise. But try and get hold of Kewpie. It is out of this world. It's absolutely delicious. Let's squeeze this lemon on top of the chicken. Like so. Yes. Itadakimasu. I can't wait. Let's dip it in this Kewpie mayonnaise. Okay. Ooh. Come on. You can hear the crunch. So juicy in the middle. You can really taste the ginger and the garlic. Soy sauce. Sesame's coming through. The crunchiness of the outside. The skin is crunchy. Inside is juicy and succulent. So good. To be honest, you don't need the mayonnaise, but I think it adds another level to this dish. Oh, come on baby. Yeah. I hope the camera's picking it up, but it's so juicy in the middle, glistening with juices. Can you hear the crunch? This will make a perfect midweek dinner for the family. It can be prepared under 15 minutes. Kids absolutely love it. Adults love it with a glass of beer. So, so good. Thanks for watching everyone. Until next time. Bye bye.